Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing the foundation. Set your audio buffer to 256,512 samples so CPU spikes don't cause clicks. Next, duplicate the problem track and work on the copy. This preserves the original if you need to revert. Once done, disable plugins that add latency and only enable low latency mode while recording. These steps stop many runtime clicks and give you a safe staging area to edit without introducing new artifacts. Now you inspect and repair the waveform itself. Zoom to the sample level and scan boundaries where clips splice. Tiny discontinuities create clicks. You should apply short fades, between 1 and 10 ms, at every edit to smooth transitions. When you spot DC offsets or abrupt level jumps, use the Gain plugin or Normalize to bring levels into line, and trim extra silence so sudden transients aren't exposed. Doing this reduces the physical causes of clicks before resorting to restoration tools. For remaining clicks, apply Logic's Repair or a dedicated declicker plugin sparingly. You want surgical removal, not smearing. Once corrected, bounce in place to a 24-bit WAV and test on headphones and monitors to confirm the problem is gone. If clicks persist, freeze CPU-heavy tracks or raise the buffer and verify your audio interface driver settings and cables. One key troubleshooting tip: if freezes remove clicks, it's CPU/latency. Increase buffer or offline bounce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.